Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of this embossing look. And this doesn't really help laser engravers, but if you're in other fields and you use Corel Draw, this might help you. And I made one yesterday, so this is part 2. And an internet friend of mine, Steve Good from the Scroll Saw Workshop, and Steve's got some really good Corel Draw videos. And if you want to learn how to scroll saw, he's the man. So anyway, I made 3 copies of her deal. I'm using copper just because he used copper. I just want to see how it come out. So we've got our text. Let me zoom in here. We're going to select our text, and we're going to go to the drop shadow. And we're going to just barely give it any kind of little bitty drop shadow effect. And we can slide that over and change it up a little bit. And what that did, it did the same thing I was doing yesterday with the blur. Now we're going to take this one, and he suggested go to adjust and go to gamma and make that thing just a little bit lighter. I've been playing around with my gamma, so it's actually quite a bit lighter. And then I'm going to take that new one, go to arrange power clip, place inside frame, and I'm going to put it in that Corel Draw. Now I'm going to hit P and put it on the top of that. And that already looks good. It really does. But what we could also do is take our original color, take our arrange, power clip, place inside frame, put it inside this one, put it in the center of the page, and then with your nudge factor set real low, just give yourself a couple clicks down and a couple clicks over. And you could really kind of play with this. And what that did, that lighter color is now in the background. And if you don't think that looks good, it looks good on my, it makes it look like it's coming off the copper. I might have gone a little bit too far. And there's a lot you could do with this. Let me just put it a little bit back. And it either makes it look like it's coming off the copper, and in a way, it kind of makes it look like it's going in the copper. Now, one thing I would suggest, and I don't think I can really get back there, would be to take the original copper color. Well, let's see if we can't. Well, that'd be another video. You could actually flip this copper over, so the letter coppers would not be in this same coloration of this brushed copper. The marks would be down on the other side. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.